Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Claude subscription without losing data using the easy method. This is a great way to halt your automatic monthly charges on your current setup session while locking your personal writing history safely inside your profile account storage. Step 1. Open your profile settings panel from the corner menu. The first step is to open your regular internet browser program, log into your Writing Assistant account, and head straight to your personal profile command space. Move your mouse pointer down to the very bottom left corner of your screen workspace, click once on your account profile name or initials box, look at the small choice menu that pops open, and click on the row labeled Settings. Watch for the main account options sheet to display flat against your background view, showing all your user preferences. Because you cannot modify your money plans or billing cycles from your regular public typing chat box, you must enter this central configuration panel to access your official account rights. Without this step, your subscription management tools will stay completely hidden away in the background. Step 2. Enter the dedicated billing management panel. Next, you need to navigate directly to your money dashboard where the system handles all your subscription card logs and payment tiers. Look at the menu choices listed across your options layout sheet, locate the specific button row that says Billing, and click it once with your main mouse button. Review the billing details page that appears right in the middle of your monitor screen, showing your current plan title flat against your background view. Because the application splits your account tools into separate rooms for profile changes, group details, and money records. Clicking this specific row tells the software engine to bring up your actual payment profile. It ensures you are in the correct area to stop your payments safely without clicking the wrong account deletion buttons. Now, you need to locate the official cancellation link on your screen canvas rows and tell the system to halt your recurring payment schedules. Scroll down to your plan details area. If you're subscribed, you can look for the button labeled Cancel or Cancel Plan. Click it once. Click on one of the simple circle choices to tell them why you are stepping away, and click the final button at the bottom that says Cancel Plan. Watch the confirmation window update to show an official ending date for your paid features on your layout map. Because it officially tells the network servers to stop taking money from your bank card when the next month rolls around. Choosing a cancellation path rather than an account deletion button is the exact trick that keeps your data completely safe. It leaves your profile active on the free basic tier instead of scrubbing your history clean. And that's it. To cancel your Claude subscription without losing data, you must first click your account initials at the bottom left and open your settings on your screen. Then you move your mouse to the side list and click on the billing row on your screen canvas rows to open your payment details. Next, you look at your active plan and click the Cancel button to select a simple reason and stop your recurring billing safely. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.